this is Marissa from Design by Geeks, and maybe it's my inner goth, but I just love this coffin box SVG design. Isn't Halloween the best? I have this one filled with candies, and I'm going to be showing you just how easy it is to make. And as always, you can buy this design by following the link in the video description. This design is just one piece, and you'll cut that out on your cutting machine. Then you'll want to pre-fold along each of the score lines. I'm going to be using a folding tool to help me today. After pre-folding, you're then going to place glue on the 6 smaller tabs. So that's these 2 tabs here, these 2 tabs there, and these 2 tabs here. And then you're going to start folding that up to create the coffin shape. So I've done the first 2 of the 6 tabs, and I'll just keep moving along until I have all 6 tabs glued. And sometimes you need to hold that for a couple seconds until the glue holds. After gluing the 6 tabs, your box is ready to be filled with whatever you like, and then you can close the lid. Closing the lid is just folding down the larger tabs and then closing down the lid piece that has the rounded flap. And there you go. Now you're ready for all sorts of spooky adventures. Thanks for watching and happy haunting! We hope you liked this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.